This second example of an infinite limit is one in which the question asks us to do a two-sided limit. Again, we will still have to split up this two-sided limit into two separate one-sided limits, but in this situation the question doesn't tell us that. To start off, we're always going to start the way we start any limit problem, by plugging in the value that x approaches for x. We're going to replace x with -2, and we get -2 squared plus 2 times -2 plus 1 on the top. On the bottom, we're going to get -2 squared plus 4 times -2 plus 4. The top will give you -2 squared is 4, 2 times -2 is -4, plus 1 gives you 1. The bottom will give you 4 minus 8 plus 4, which gives you 0. We have a non-zero number over 0, so we know the limit is going to be infinite. Now that we know it's an infinite limit, we have to sort of split it up into the left and right-hand limits. So first, we're going to do the limit as x goes to -2 from the left. If x is approaching -2 from the left, we're going to pick a point which is close to -2 but a little bit smaller, say x equals -2.1. And we're going to plug that in for x. We get -2.1 squared plus 2 times -2.1 plus 1. On the bottom, we're going to get -2.1 squared plus 4 times -2.1 plus 4. The top will give you 1.21, the bottom 0.01. These are both positive numbers, so this result is positive, which means that the limit as x goes to -2 from the left of f of x is positive infinity. Next, we need to do the limit from the right. So if x is approaching -2 from the right, we want a number that's close to -2 but a little bit bigger. Say x equals -1.9. We plug that in for x. We get -1.9 squared plus 2 times -1.9 plus 1 over -1.9 squared plus 4 times -1.9 plus 4. If we evaluate the top, we get 0.81. Evaluating the bottom gives you 0.01. These will both give you a positive number because it's positive divided by positive. That means that the limit as x goes to -2 from the right of this function is also positive infinity. For the two-sided limit, we look at the limit from the left and the limit from the right. They both go to positive infinity, so this two-sided limit also goes to positive infinity. One thing to mention is saying that this two-sided limit goes to positive infinity is not a way of saying that this two-sided limit exists. This two-sided limit does not exist because positive infinity is not a number. But this positive infinity is describing how this two-sided limit does not exist. It goes up off the top of the screen.